Hello everyone, this is the X on Mining YouTube channel. In this episode, we will share how to help with the professional cooling of mining machines. However, this method is only applicable to machines that are out of warranty, and it is recommended to use it only as a last resort. How to increase the cooling efficiency of a mining rig's power board. When the temperature of the mining rig is too high, it can lead to the power board burning out. To address this issue, applying thermal paste is necessary, but it requires a certain level of expertise in disassembling the machine. If the machine is brand new and still under warranty, please refrain from disassembling it, as doing so will void the warranty. Here are some important considerations when applying thermal paste to the power board of a virtual mining rig. Choose the right thermal paste. Ensure you use a thermal paste with high thermal conductivity and low viscosity to effectively conduct heat. Clean the surface. Before applying thermal paste, make sure the surfaces of the heat sink and components are clean and dust-free to improve adhesion and thermal conductivity. Apply a thin, even layer. The thermal paste should be applied thinly and evenly, avoiding bubbles or overly thick layers, as these can affect thermal conductivity. Use the right amount. Using too much thermal paste can actually reduce cooling effectiveness, so apply according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Pay attention to curing time. Some thermal pastes require a curing period after application. Ensure that components are not moved during this time to avoid impacting cooling performance. Regularly check. Periodically inspect the condition of the thermal paste and replace it as necessary to maintain good cooling performance. Following these principles can help improve the cooling efficiency of virtual mining rigs and extend their lifespan. That's all for today. If anyone wants to see more professional skills related to mining machines, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you all for watching.